Hi everyone, my name is Tai'Leah. I'm a sophomore and I'm studying business and management. I'm taking astronomy because I'm into astrology and I really thought it would be super cool to learn about space. Space kind of freaks me out a little bit. My goals for the next 5 years, I have a lot of goals, but ultimately I really want to do art full time and make more money, just to live a certain lifestyle so I can eat well all the time and just be healthy. I have other goals as far as learning how to play piano and other skills, fashion design, and I want to up my cooking skills because I cook a lot and I would love to start growing my own food. Some topics that I really am interested in learning about are like how to understand the fabric of space, because it really interests me how there's no end, and that space is continuously creating, like it's continuously expanding, and it really freaks me out how there are a lot of galaxies and the galaxies have universes, or vice versa. Universes have galaxies? No, I think the galaxies have universes. And yeah, what life exists beyond our galaxy, and it's really amazing. I want to know what space sounds like. I would love to hear some frequencies of what space sounds like and maybe what planets sound like. I would love to know what they look like too, but I kind of get afraid that things aren't like a real depiction. So I'm hoping that we can learn whether or not the videos and stuff that we see about different planets, like, is that the real version of that planet? It's amazing because when we're looking at something, several light speeds away. So it's phenomenal, actually, to me, to see that. Yeah, there's just so much beyond our world, and it's incredible. I really think it's important to keep studying sciences in the future, and I believe that we are going to continuously study sciences. I think that there's always a need to understand it. I'm a big science fan. I love the aspect of science, so I use astrology and the science of the planets and how they interact with us to be able to plan out my days and plan out my goals. So pretty much, if it's too much of a transit, like when the planets are transiting and they're not productive to us, maybe it's more productive for us to rest versus do the work. That's how I align my schedule. So I'm always looking at how the planets are interacting with each other and how important it is to do certain work at that time, so we're supported in the work that we do to accomplish our goals. Considering AI, it does, for me, it's about how people should be responsible using this tool. I think that if we are conscious of how intelligent this tool is and if we're able to use it for good, I'm interested in exploring that. But the unconsciousness of those databases being built in places where they're not appropriate, that's where we go wrong and we start being greedy, or we start doing too much too soon. But it's all a learning experience. I feel like humans are so smart, almost too smart, so we manipulate everything, and hopefully we're able to use this tool and manipulate it in the best ways possible. Nice meeting y'all.